Unknown miscreant plan to entry handling mechanism remote control IED near Napet Machin Pauhabi culvert. State disposal team squad defuses the bomb successfully. And the Golden Jubilee celebrations of International Film Festival of India kicks off in Goa today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. My name is Joyce Rusham, bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Unknown miscreants planted two anti-handling mechanism remote control IED near Pauhabi culvert at Napit Machin under Lamlai police station in Imphal East district today. Impact News also said that 6 Assam Rifles personnel came across the bomb while on ROP at around 9:30 a.m. After sniffer dog of 15 Assam Rifles ascertained the presence of the bomb, the security forces cordoned the area and informed the Manipur police. Subsequently, Imphal East DSP Operation KSH Ravi Kumar and Lamlai OC inspected the area. State bomb disposal squad also arrived and defused the IED, weighing around 4 to 5 kgs safely at 12:14 p.m. Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen inaugurated Sakhi One-Stop Center OSC at Kangpokpi District Headquarters today. The One-Stop Center was inaugurated under directives of Ministry of Women and Child Development WCD, Government of India. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Nemcha Kipgen said that the newly inaugurated OSC will serve as a center equipped with an integrated range of services including medical, legal, rescue and response services, police services and psychological and social counseling support for the welfare of those women in distress or affected by any forms of violence in private and public places. Manipuri web series Norabi The Virgin backed the Best Trailer Award at the Rio Web Fest 2019 held at Rio de Janeiro in Brazil from November 15 till 18. The web series is directed by Joychan Morangthem and written by Much Konthaujam. Danube, Mary, Pinky, Mangalema, Prinalini, Attila and Vidya Lakshmi are in the lead roles. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on International Film Festival of India, which begins today in Goa. Keep watching. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. India's biggest cinematic event, International Film Festival of India, IFFI, will open in Goa today. The opening ceremony of the 50th edition of IFFI will begin at 3:30 p.m. at the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium in Panjim. The Governor of Goa, Satyapal Malik, Union Ministers Prakash Javadekar and Sripat Naik will grace the occasion. Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant and other state officials will be representing the host state. Asia's biggest film festival, IFFI, is geared up to woo audiences and critics alike in its Golden Jubilee edition in Goa. A virtual who's who of the Indian film industry as well as the world's cinema's greatest are all set to walk the red carpet tonight. A 7-minute film on former Defence Minister and Goa Chief Minister late Manohar Parrikar will also be screened at the inauguration. Celebrated French actor Isabelle Huppert will be conferred with the Lifetime Achievement Award. In its Golden Jubilee year, the festival will also screen 50 films by 50 female makers to acknowledge the contribution of women in cinema. India and Singapore have agreed to strengthen bilateral defense cooperation and taking it to greater heights. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh expressed satisfaction at the increasing engagement of the armed forces of both the countries in conducting joint exercises. Rajnath Singh said this while calling on Singapore Deputy Prime Minister Heng Swee Keat in Singapore yesterday. The Union Defense Minister stressed that the Indo-Pacific for India means an open, inclusive and stable region connected through secure seas, integrated by trade and anchored by the unity and centrality of Asia. Rajnath Singh will co-chair the 4th India-Singapore Defense Ministers dialogue today before concluding his two-day visit. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Unknown miscreants plan to end clear handling mechanism remote control IED near Napet Machin Pauhabi culvert. State disposal team squad defuses the bomb successfully. And the Golden Jubilee celebrations of International Film Festival of India kicks off in Goa today.